If you could double the amount of leads, email subscribers, or online sales that you make without having to make more content or spend more money on ads, would you want to know how? That's what I'm going to show you in this video, because everything that you create online, videos, ads, articles, should all lead to one thing, a landing page. And if you can double the conversion rate to that landing page, you can double your leads without double the work. By the way, I'm Alan Dragu. I've spent 15 years in the marketing industry working for Fortune 500 companies like P&G. 3 of those years, I was the vice president of growth of one of the fastest growing marketing companies in the United States. And today I'm a full-time content creator and copywriter. This is what I do all day long. By the way, everything that I'm going to show you in this video, the landing page, the breakdown, the template, is all going to be a link in the description below for you to grab absolutely free. But we got a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and dive in. On my screen, I am showing you a landing page that I created for an email marketing agency that I co-founded with my good friend Ben Fitterman. Heads up, I am no longer part of that agency. I'm a full-time copywriter and content creator. As I mentioned, this is what I do now. But when we were doing this together, this landing page converted cold traffic at 11.7% and it converted warm traffic at 68%. Now, if you didn't know, industry standard benchmarks at around 2025, 2026, where we are now, is converting cold traffic landing pages at around 5 to 6%, which means that this landing page right here converted at almost double that, which means we were getting double the leads and email subscribers without having to double the traffic or create more content, exactly how I said in the beginning. And what I want to do for you is I want to break down exactly why this page works so well and give you a template, formula, and structure for you to walk away and do the same thing for your own courses, service-based business, coaching, digital products, lead magnets, whatever it is, because this can work in a million different ways. Let's go through the landing page and then I'll break out each element. First thing that you'll notice is there is no scrolling, okay? I cannot scroll down. Everything you see on this screen is above the fold. Above the fold meaning being in a visual point where anybody, mobile, desktop, iPad, sees all of this in one screen. That is incredibly crucial. I have tested really long landing pages, medium length landing pages, and just a straight up above the fold, and the above the fold converts higher every single time. The landing page says free 7-day email course reveals how subscription-based brands cut churn and drive 30% of their revenue using email and SMS, even if you're not technical, haven't built flows, and your list is collecting dust. And then it's a picture of my friend Ben, who again was my business partner at the time, and some screenshots from Klaviyo proving that we knew what we were talking about. Had an email opt-in here, button says send me the course, and then right under it is written by Ben and Alan, co-founders of Dragu, Fitterman & Co. We've helped 7 to 9 figure e-com brands 2 to 3x their LTV and reduce churn by 28% in 90 days, all through email and SMS. Now that you've seen this landing page, you see the structure. Let's go ahead and break down the structure. Now, to break down the structure, I went ahead and created a template walkthrough that, again, you can get in the link in the description below to give you an exact step-by-step framework of what copywriting and sales psychology I've injected into this landing page for you to walk away and do the same for your landing page. So we're going to break each one of those down, starting with free 7-day email course reveals. All right. In the first eyebrow copy up at the very top, you want to reveal exactly what your person, your reader, is going to get by being on this page. It could say free 7-day email course, free 83-page report, free AI tool, free guide. It doesn't even have to be free. It just has to be very clear. What is the exact thing that I'm going to get on this page? And then now we're going to move into the headline, which breaks out 4 unique things that make it so strong. Okay, the 4 unique things are audience, problem, desire, mechanism. Let's break down how this headline hits all 4 of those in one swoop, okay? How subscription-based brands. This is the audience. This is who we are targeting. We are targeting subscription-based brands. So when they see that and they say, oh yeah, I sell supplements or I sell meat products or whatever, and it's on a subscription, they know that is them. Cut churn. That is a problem, okay? How this audience can cut this problem and then drive 30% of their revenue. That is a promise. All right. So now we have the audience, the problem we are solving, the promise we are making, and then using email and SMS is the mechanism that we use to solve that problem for that audience and achieve that promise for that audience. All that in one line. So we're talking audience, problem, desire, mechanism. One headline. That's after they get the clarity. And then right under it is what I would call the constraint section. This is your deck copy. And in your deck copy, we want to overcome the objections, because chances are people have heard stuff like this before. They're like, yeah, cut churn, drive 30%. Well, I've tried it. And things that they're going to say in their head, they're going to say things like, I'm not technical, or I don't know how to build flows, and my list is collecting dust, like email, SMS. I haven't emailed them in years, blah, blah, blah. I don't know why everybody's redneck when I'm thinking about this. You have to pre-answer the obstacles for people, even if you're not technical, haven't built flows, and your email list is collecting dust. All right. So you're pre-answering those obstacles. Then you walk down to the big image section. I like to think of this in two ways. Okay. If this is an image, sometimes I use a product image. Like if I'm giving away a mini course or a mini webinar or something like that, I'll typically have the actual product and maybe my face right next to it, so it looks like it's a product giveaway. In this case, this was a pretty big claim that we're going to be able to drive 30% of your revenue and cut churn. So what I like to do is I like to put some personality behind it with the side-by-side photo and then some screenshots of proof. The big one here being proof. If you can inject proof into the image, it will convert higher. One other way that you could do this, if you don't want to do the image and you want to go next level, is you can inject a VSL here. And in that VSL, it's you personally talking or whoever's personally talking, and you can inject the proof in the actual VSL itself. The next part of this framework is the actual email itself. So there are three ways to kind of think about this. Well, three layers to what you're asking for. You can ask just for the email, which will get you the most opt-ins. You can ask for the name and email, which will qualify your buyer a little bit more, but you'll get a little bit less opt-ins. Every question that you ask decreases the amount of opt-ins you get, but it increases the quality of the person, because the more information they're willing to give you, the higher quality that person is likely to be. And then you can so much as go as asking for an email, a name, and a phone number. Now, if you start asking for a phone number, your opt-ins will dramatically drop, but you'll get higher quality leads. In fact, much higher quality leads. So if you're selling a high ticket coaching service or a done for you high ticket service, a lot of times asking for that phone number, that name, that email all together will get you the best buyers. It may not double your conversion rate, but if you're sitting at industry standard conversion rate, but with significantly better buyers, that may double your revenue, double your income, which may be worth it for you. The next thing is the actual button itself. Don't say sign up or yes, please, or anything like that. This is the part where I really like to focus on action. Now, this goes against a lot of what gurus do on their landing page, where they usually do like a benefit. They may use a button action that's like increase my revenue by 30% or cut my churn or whatever. And that's the button action. I don't like to do benefit as the button action because it smells like bull. Right? You see that and you're like, all right, dude, like, come on. It increases the skepticism. So I don't like to do that. I've already got it in the headline. I've got the proof. What I like to do is make it really clear what the action is going to do for them. Not the benefit, but the actual action, that when they click the button, I'm going to send them the email course. So it says right here, send me the email course. Very simple, very clear, but it's also not this big skeptical promise that's like, all right, come on, man. Like that reeks. And then the last part is the proof. I love to get the proof under the button, something that they can see. Now, I've got it written by Ben and Alan, co-founders, which when you put co-founders of an agency, that's some proof. We've helped 7 to 9 figure e-com brands, proof. 2 to 3 XL, their LTV, proof. We've reduced churn by 28% in 90 days, proof. Okay. So lots of proof element. You could do things like 4,000 downloads or 5-star ratings, or you could put a really high leverage testimonial that your target audience would really know who that is. They would resonate, be like, oh man, this guy's worked with Russell Brunson or whomever is very famous in your industry. So you could do those sorts of things. That is a simple walkthrough, very easy, of this landing page that converts incredibly well. Again, you can go in the link in the description below, grab everything that you need, including the card template. I built this landing page on a website called Card, C-A-R-R-D. I'm not affiliated by any means. And it's really, really simple. So I come in here and it's easy to use. You could just come in here, change the typography, change the headlines, whatever. And the template down here below, you could duplicate, swap the photo. Okay, you can hit change photo, whatever it is that you want to do, change the headline, change the words. It is your template for free. Get it live on Card. You hit done. you save it, you hit publish, and bam, it's live on a landing page. You view the site, bada bing, bada boom. They put their email in, you can connect it to your kit. It's super easy. I've been using Card for a year. I need to get an affiliate link for that. But that's it. That's the whole landing page. It's really simple. It's really easy to use, and I guarantee it will increase your conversion rate if you're not already doing something like this. And if you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It tells me you want me to make more content like this. If you have any questions, you could drop it in the comments. I'll be hanging out, drinking this fresh pour over that I made this morning. God, this is good. That's what you guys are doing. You're feeding my espresso and pour over addiction. Every time you subscribe to my channel, it just makes me go, new subscriber. I get it. I get a notification on my phone. I'm like, oh my gosh, a new subscriber. Shots. Can you imagine if I took an espresso shot every single time that I got a new subscriber? All right, enough dilly-dally. Let's wrap this video up. Go binge more of my videos. Go learn copywriting. Go learn sales persuasions. Go build your email list. Go build your personal brand. But for God's sakes, don't work at a 9-to-5 job. Don't work at a company. Build your own crap. Enjoy your life and drink more coffee.